Calculator program. Beginner level. Introduction. One of the most common beginner programming exercises is building a calculator program. A calculator program performs basic mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. This project helps beginners understand several important programming concepts, including user input, variables, conditional statements, arithmetic operations. Creating a calculator is often one of the first practical projects for learning programming. What is a calculator program? A calculator program is a software application that performs mathematical calculations based on user input. In simple words, calculator program equals a program that takes numbers as input and performs calculations. The program typically asks the user for numbers, asks the user for the operation, performs the calculation, displays the result. Basic arithmetic operations. Most calculator programs support 4 basic operations. Operation symbol example. Addition plus 5 plus 3 equals 8. Subtraction 5 minus 3 equals 2. Multiplication asterisk 5 times 3 equals 15. Division 6 divided by 3 equals 2. These operations form the foundation of many calculator applications. Simple calculator program example. Python. Here is a simple Python calculator program. num1 equals float. Input. Enter first number. Quote. num2 equals float. Input. Enter second number. Quote. Operation equals input. Choose operation. Plus. Dash. Asterisk. Slash. Quote. If operation equals plus. Print. Result. Quote. num1 plus num2. If operation equals. Print. Result. Quote. num1 num2. If operation equals asterisk. Print. Result. Quote. num1 asterisk num2. If operation equals. Print. Result. Quote. num1 num2. Else. Print. Invalid operation. This program allows the user to select an operation and perform calculations. How the calculator program works. The program follows several steps. Step 1. Accept user input. The program asks the user to enter numbers. Example. num1 equals float. Input. Enter first number. Quote. This converts the input into a numeric value. Step 2. Select operation. The program asks which operation to perform. Example. Operation equals input. Choose operation. Plus. Dash. Asterisk. Slash. Quote. The user chooses the type of calculation. Step 3. Perform the calculation. The program uses conditional statements. Example. If operation equals plus. Print. num1 plus num2. Each condition handles a different operation. Step 4. Display the result. Finally, the program prints the result. Example. Print. Result. Quote. num1 plus num2. The result appears on the screen. Improved calculator example. A better version uses functions. Def add. A. B. Return A plus B. Def subtract. A. B. Return A. B. Def multiply. A. B. Return A asterisk B. Def divide. A. B. Return A. B. num1 equals float. Input. Enter first number. Quote. num2 equals float. Input. Enter second number. Quote. Print. Addition. Quote. Add. num1. num2. Print. Subtraction. Quote. Subtract. num1. num2. Print. Multiplication. Quote. Multiply. num1. num2. Print. Division. Quote. Divide. num1. num2. Using functions makes the program cleaner and easier to maintain. Concepts learned from this project. Building a calculator program helps beginners learn. Checkmark variables. Checkmark user input. Checkmark arithmetic operations. Checkmark conditional statements. Checkmark functions. These concepts are fundamental for many programming tasks. Real-life analogy. A calculator program works like a real handheld calculator. You enter numbers. Choose an operation. Press equals. Get the result. Programming simply automates these steps using code instead of buttons. Ways to improve the calculator project. Once the basic calculator works, you can add more features. Examples. Loop to allow multiple calculations. Graphical interface. GUI. Advanced operations. Power. Square root. History of calculations. Error handling. Improving projects helps beginners develop stronger programming skills. Common mistakes beginners make when building calculator programs. Beginners sometimes crossmark forget to convert input to numbers. Crossmark divide by 0 without checking. Crossmark use unclear variable names. Crossmark write repeated code. These issues can be solved by testing and improving the program. Where calculator programs are used. Calculator logic is used in many applications such as financial software, accounting tools, scientific calculators, mobile applications, spreadsheet software. Even complex applications use basic arithmetic logic internally. Simple definition. Calculator program. A program that performs mathematical operations on numbers provided by the user. Final summary. A calculator program is a common beginner programming project. It teaches several fundamental programming concepts such as checkmark user input, checkmark arithmetic operations, checkmark conditional statements, checkmark functions. By building and improving a calculator program, beginners gain practical programming experience and stronger coding skills.